All right, let's jump right in. We're talking about a field that is just a whirlwind of logistics, creativity, and of course, human connection, event planning. And today, we're looking at how artificial intelligence is stepping onto the scene, not to take over, but to become your new indispensable co-planner.
So, what's the real secret to a perfect event? I mean, is it the venue, the speakers, the free swag? Well, for planners, the secret sauce is really about taming an unbelievable amount of complexity behind the scenes, all to make it look totally effortless.
And it really is a juggling act, isn't it? You're coordinating venues, vendors, and a dozen different schedules, all while trying to create a unique, memorable experience for every single person who walks through the door. It's a lot.
And this is exactly where the AI co-planner comes in. Now, don't think of this as a robot replacing human creativity. Think of it more like an incredibly powerful new member of your team, one that just chews through all the tedious logistics, freeing you up to focus on the big picture.
Okay, so here's what we've got on deck. We'll start with what an AI co-planner even is, then dig into how it streamlines logistics and boosts engagement. After that, we'll look at the awesome data it provides. And finally, we'll get a balanced view of the benefits versus the challenges.
All right, let's kick things off with the AI co-planner itself. Look, this isn't some sci-fi concept from the future. It's a set of tools that is already reshaping the entire industry at an incredible pace. And the proof is in the numbers. Get this, a whopping 70% of event planners are already using AI tools for core tasks. This thing went from a niche idea to the new industry standard almost overnight.
So what are they actually using it for? Well, really practical stuff. AI is suggesting perfect venues based on hard data, building complex schedules without any conflicts, and powering chatbots that can answer questions 24/7. It's even helping predict attendance and draft marketing content.
Next up, let's pull back the curtain and look at logistics. This is really where AI flexes its muscles, handling all that foundational, backstage work that can make or break an entire event.
You can really see the difference here, right? The old way was just endless manual research and trying to solve a nightmare scheduling puzzle. Now, with AI, you get intelligent sourcing that finds the perfect fit in seconds and automated agendas that can literally adjust on the fly.
And the impact on site? It's huge. Just take the check-in process. AI-driven systems can slash those awful registration lines and wait times by as much as 70%. That means your guests are happy from the moment they arrive.
And all that efficiency, well, it hits the bottom line. For instance, one company that switched to an AI planning platform saw their event management costs drop by 30%. I mean, better, faster, and cheaper? That's the trifecta.
Now, efficiency is great for planners, but what's in it for the guests? So let's shift our focus to how AI is directly transforming the attendee experience, making it way more personal and engaging.
One of the absolute coolest applications is AI-powered matchmaking. The system basically looks at everyone's profiles and interests and then suggests who you should meet or which sessions you'd actually find valuable. It completely takes the guesswork out of networking.
And you might be wondering, does it actually work? Oh yeah. Events that use this kind of matchmaking have seen a 50% spike in networking activities. People are making better, more relevant connections, which is why most of us go to these things anyway.
But it doesn't stop there. Think about 24/7 chatbots for instant answers, AI that analyzes Q&A sessions to find the most popular questions, and even tools that can measure the sentiment of the crowd to see if a speaker is really landing.
You know, the value of AI doesn't just stop when the event ends. The data it gathers is absolutely crucial for proving an event's success and for making sure the next one is even better.
AI analytics unlocks insights that were just about impossible to get before. It can forecast attendance and no-shows, find key themes in thousands of feedback forms in seconds, and tell you exactly which sessions were hit. It even tracks which marketing channels actually brought people in.
And here's the kicker. All this data has a massive financial impact. A stunning 78% of planners using AI reported a higher return on investment for their events. Now that's a number that makes everyone in the room pay attention.
But, of course, no technology is a magic wand. While AI is incredibly powerful, bringing it on board successfully means you've got to navigate a few key challenges. So let's get a balanced view.
On one hand, the benefits are crystal clear. You get huge gains in efficiency, real cost savings, happier guests, and smarter decisions. But on the other hand, you have to be really mindful of things like data privacy, making sure you don't lose that essential human touch, and of course, training your team to actually use these new tools.
And honestly,
This quote from the source material just says it all. This isn't about machines replacing people. The future is a partnership, a synergy, where AI handles the heavy lifting with data, which allows human creativity to really shine. So as we wrap this up, the final question really is for you. As this technology quickly becomes the new normal, it's worth asking, is your next event ready to welcome its AI co-planner?